The weather outside might be frightful, but the real estate stats tell a different story. Stay tuned. Metro Vancouver home sales reached an all-time high in 2021 as housing needs remained a top priority for residents in the second year of this COVID-19 pandemic. The Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 43,999 in 2021, which is a 42% increase from the 30,944 sales recorded in 2020. And that's a 74% increase from the 25,351 homes that were sold in 2019, and a 4% increase over the previous all-time sales record of 42,326 set in 2015. Last year's sales total was 33% above the 10-year sales average. With low interest rates, increased household savings, more flexible work arrangements, and higher home prices than ever before, Metro Vancouverites in record numbers are assessing their housing needs and options. Home listings on the multiple listing service in Metro Vancouver reached 62,265 in 2021, which is a 15% increase compared to the 54,305 homes listed in 2020, and a 19.9% increase compared to the 51,918 homes listed in 2019. Last year's listings total was 11% above the 10-year average. While steady home listing activity didn't keep pace with the record demand we saw throughout 2021, this imbalance caused residential home prices to rise over the past 12 months. The total number of homes currently listed for sale on the system in Metro Vancouver is 5,236, which is a 38% decrease compared to December of 2020, where there was 8,538, and a 27% decrease compared to November of 2021, where there was 7,144. We begin 2022 with just over 5,000 homes for sale across the region. This is the lowest level we've seen in more than 30 years. With demand at record levels, residents shouldn't expect home price growth to relent until there's a more adequate supply of housing available to purchase. The composite benchmark price for all residential properties in Metro Vancouver ends the year at $1,230,000. This is a 17% increase compared to December of 2020. Both detached home and townhome benchmark prices increased 22% in the region last year, while condos and apartments increased about 13%. Looking across Metro Vancouver, Maple Ridge saw the highest increase in benchmark prices at 35%, followed by Pitt Meadows at 30% and Whistler at 28%. Looking at area and property type, detached homes in Pitt Meadows saw the largest benchmark price increase at 42%, followed by detached homes at 38.5% and townhomes at 35% in Maple Ridge. December summary, Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 2,688 in December of 2021, and that's a 13% decrease from the 3,093 sales recorded in December of 2020, and a 21.6% decrease from the 3,428 homes sold in November of 2021. Last month's sales were 33% above the 10-year December sales average. There were 1,945 detached, attached, and condo properties newly listed for sale in the MLS in Metro Vancouver in December of 2021. This represents a 19.3% decrease compared to the 2,400 homes listed in December of 2020, and a 50% decrease compared to the November 2021, when 3,964 homes were listed. For all property types, the sales to active listing ratio for December 2021 is 51%. Unbelievable. By property type, the ratio is 35% for detached homes, 76% for townhomes, and 60% for condos and apartments. Generally, analysts say downward pressure on home prices occurs when the ratio dips below 12% for a sustained period, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it surpasses the 20% mark over several months. Sales of detached homes in December 2021 reached 794, which is a 22% decrease compared to the 1,026 sales recorded in December of 2020. The benchmark price for a detached home is now $1,910,000. This represents a 22% increase from December of 2020 and a 2.1% increase compared to November of 2021. Sales of condos and apartments reached 1,464 in December of 2021, which is a 1.4% decrease compared to the 1,474 homes sales in December of 2020. The benchmark for an apartment home is now $762,000, and this represents a 13% increase from December of 2020 and a 1.2% decrease compared to November of 2021. Attached home sales in December of 2021 total 430, which is a 27% decrease compared to the 593 sales in December of 2020. The benchmark price of an attached home is now $1,005,000, which represents a 22% increase from December of 2020, but only a 1.5% increase compared to November of 2021. In the Metro Vancouver area, the hot spot right now is New West, which comes in at 72% sell-through ratio for detached and over 100% in attached properties. Next comes in at Tsawwassen, which is a 68% sell-through ratio and again over 100% sell-through ratio for condos and townhomes. And Ladner, still in the top three over months, is at 58% through for detached percentages and well over 200% when it comes to condominium and apartment sales. So that's a synopsis of what's going on in the real estate market in both the Metro Vancouver area and the Greater Vancouver area. If you're looking for more specific details, price points, sub areas, don't hesitate to give us a call, text, or email, and we will send you out this whole package depending on which area you're looking for, free of charge. So if you're wondering what happened in the Fraser Valley in December, we have a new video coming out real soon. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and have yourself an awesome day.